Hi, I'm Kevin Tremblay, Product Line Manager at LaserAxe. Let's take a look at our Versa battery laser welding machine. The Versa battery laser welding machine is built to bridge your path from R&D to production, using the same proven laser welding technology used in mass manufacturing. Adaptable in multiple production scenarios and powered by software designed for battery manufacture, the Versa machine drives your innovation forward while delivering the consistency and reliability required for real production.